If you haven't been living under a rock, then you would have heard at least a little bit about Chat GPT and AIs and all the advancement in the technological space. In case you have been under that rock, or you've been out but you just don't fully get it, I'm here to break it down for you today and show you how it can help you to make some money. But first, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, hit the like button. Alright, let's now move on. So let's start with some definitions. What is AI? According to Investopedia, AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. So basically, it's machines that operate like humans and can easily do tasks, from the most simple tasks to some of the most complex tasks. The technology has become so advanced and they've become so smart to the point where some people believe that some of these human-like machines or AIs may outdo some of us as humans and exceed our capacity to learn or reason out any subject. Some people even think that these AI machines will become so highly developed that humans will not be able to keep up and they will take off on their own. And just the thought of that alone is very scary. And then there are others that are more skeptical, kind of just looking, watching and waiting to see how it all unfolds, because I believe that humans are humans and machines are machines. But who knows? Nobody really knows but the creators of the systems themselves. But in the meantime, what we do know is that these systems can help us in many ways, including helping us to make some money. And that's what we're about. So let's get to it. There are many different AIs out there, but for this video, I'm going to focus primarily on Chat GPT. In future episodes, I'll delve more deeply into the functions of some of those other AIs, but for now, just keep watching. And since you're still here, you might as well subscribe. What is Chat GPT? Do you know? Chat GPT is a chatbot that was created by the company called OpenAI back in November 2022, so very recently. Chat GPT is currently free and you can ask it almost anything and get a human-like answer. You remember things like Skype Messenger, Facebook Messenger, MSN Messenger, or any of these type of messenger sites where you can converse online with another human that's at the end of it. So it's kind of like that. The only difference is that there's no other human at the end of this. You're speaking to a machine that gives human-like responses. The bot remembers the thread of your dialogue using previous questions and answers to inform its next responses. It gets its answers from compiling huge volumes of information on the internet, so you can say that it knows almost everything. You can ask it countless questions and often get an answer that's useful or relevant. It's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. I've been having fun with it. It's like a way smarter version of Hey Google or Siri or Cortana or any of those virtual assistants. Just that it's text, not speech, even though you do have softwares that you can convert the text to speech. But that's for another time. So now that we're up to speed, here's how this tool can help you to make some money. Let's start off smooth. So this is for current and future employees. So ChatGPT can help you to generate or recreate a resume that will help you to get a job and make some money. If you're on the job hunt and you're not getting any callbacks from jobs that you've applied to, maybe it's because your resume needs some work. If you're looking to switch jobs and go back out on the job hunt, your resume will need some tidying up, especially if you've been in that current job for a while. If you're fresh out of high school and you don't have a resume, or you just don't have a resume for whatever reason, then listen up, FAMIELIN. This tool will help you tremendously. If you have a current resume, you can copy the content of it and paste it into Chat GPT and tell it to reword it and make you sound more professional, or optimize it for a specific role or industry that you're trying to apply for. Isn't that kind of cool? But let me not talk, let's actually do it together. I'm gonna grab my laptop here. I'm gonna open up a browser. I go to Google, and if you type Chat GPT in Google, the first one that comes up you'll see, and it's from openai.com. You click on that and this is it. It will say try Chat GPT, and then you can log in or sign up. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in, but you can sign up, and you sign up with your email address and phone number. So let's log in. We have Chat GPT opened up here, and you can see it has examples of what it can do, explain quantum computing in simple terms, got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old birthday, etc. So what I've done is I went on Google and I typed in, examples of bad resumes, and I got this one. This person's name is Lugo. He's a sales associate. His work experience is Walmart, and he has presented information like this. You see, in 2050 to present is where he's working at Walmart, and he has things like help 50 customers per day by answering questions and helping them find products, recommend advanced merchandise, display techniques, etc. So I have copied the content of this resume by just holding down on it like that, like you would copy a regular document. And then I'm heading over to Chat GPT, and I'm gonna tell it to reword this resume for a sales position, making it sound more professional. And then all I'm gonna do is just paste the content of the resume that I just got from the internet, and let's see what it comes up with. So, revised resume. It says a profile: a seasoned sales professional with over 10 years of experience in retail environment, recognized for exceptional ability to close deals, provide outstanding customer service, and generate significant revenue, seeking an opportunity to contribute to the success of the company by delivering results. So you see, in seconds it has generated a whole resume. But let's look at it side by side. Let's look at his work experience on the left with the work experience that ChatGPT gave on the right. So the first one is help 50 customers per day by answering questions and helping them find products. It says provide personalized assistance to 50 customers daily by answering inquiries and guiding product selection. Doesn't that sound so much better than how he had it at first? But you get the gist of what I'm saying. It has reworked this resume to sound a lot more professional than he had it. His profile had sales maestro with more than 10 years of work experience, yada yada yada. And you see they have a seasoned sales professional with over 10 years of experience. But I hope you get the gist of what I'm saying. You can reword the entire resume to optimize for the particular job or industry that you're trying to get in. And if you didn't have a resume before, you can ask it to create one for you. Just type in your previous work experience, what your skills are, and what position and industry you're trying or interested in getting. And it will generate a resume for you. It's kind of cool and pretty simple, as you saw. It will even generate a cover letter for you. And let's do this again. I'm gonna tell it to generate a cover letter. I'm writing to express my strong interest in the sales position at your company. As a seasoned professional with over 10 years of experience in retail environment, I'm confident that I possess the skills and qualities you're seeking in a candidate. Throughout my career, I have been recognized for my ability to close deals, provide exceptional customer service, and generate significant revenue. I'm a results-driven individual who take pride in exceeding expectations. Yada 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 yada. It makes it sound so good, don't it? You just need to make sure that you proofread it before you send it to a prospective job or hiring manager. Change anything that needs to be changed. Look out for all the errors. Add or subtract what is or isn't necessary, and you're on your way. It made it so much easier for people looking for jobs using a resume. And after rejigging your resume or creating a resume, then you're on your way to applying for that job to make you some money with your now fully optimized resume thanks to Chat GPT. Isn't that kind of cool? I think so. Comment below and tell me if this isn't cool. And while you're commenting, just remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you're not much of an office person and freelancing is more your thing, then this one will work for you. Let's say you want to be a freelance content marketer, social media manager, or something in marketing. One, you can Google businesses near you in your area, or use a job search site to find the jobs that's looking for the area that you're interested in, like the content marketing, whatever it is. Right? Let's say you found a job and it's a restaurant restaurant that needs promotion, social media of some sort. What you can do is create a portfolio, whether in your Google Drive or on a website or a Fiverr account, Upwork account, LinkedIn profile or something like that, but it must be displaying the marketing and content services that you provide. You can put some sample posts of food on your pages that are on your portfolio that you're creating by getting some royalty-free stock photos from royalty-free websites such as pixabay.com. Then you can use Chat GPT to create captions for you that are enticing and that will get you highly ranked on search engines. You can then use that portfolio when trying to get those gigs so you can make some money, honey. The same goes for any other kind of gig that you're trying for. You can try to be a scriptwriter or a copywriter, contract writer, content writer. Whatever writer you want to be, you can head into Chat GPT and it will help you to write those articles for you. You can tell it to write me a 200-word article on t-shirts, or write me a 500-word article on electric motor vehicles or whatever, and it will do that for you. So if you do get a gig that's asking for a writer, you can take on the gig, ask ChatGPT to help you to write it. Not in that you're going to use a specific thing that ChatGPT spit out and give to you. You're going to use it as a base to develop your own work, but you'd have had that outline to help you to complete that task so that you can make some more money. Third way that it can help you to make some money, whether you're aspiring, new, current content creators or entrepreneurs, this is for you. ChatGPT can help you make money by assisting with the content creation process. It can help with high quality content such as articles, like I mentioned earlier, blog posts, podcasts, a YouTube video. Like, you literally have no more excuses. You cannot give me any more excuses why you don't have a YouTube channel today. You can combine ChatGPT with other technologies to start and run a whole YouTube channel or a podcast or a blog or any of that. I've heard from so many people that they want to start a YouTube channel and I've gotten all the excuses in the world why they haven't done so already. Who don't like to be on camera, some don't like how their voice sound, some don't like how they look, some don't know how to articulate themselves well, some, all the excuses in the world. I've heard it all. But I want to tell you that AI has made it so much easier for us these days. And while I don't think YouTube is for everybody, but for those who it's for, AI can be your best friend or your worst enemy depending on how you use it. Let's say for a YouTube channel, you're gonna choose a niche. And let's say you're most passionate about hair and hair care. So you say, okay, I'm gonna do hair niche, right? You could head over to ChatGPT, tell it, I'm gonna start a new YouTube channel. What are some good titles for hair videos? And it will generate for you some good titles or topics that you can discuss for this channel. So you see, number 1, it says hairstyle hacks, tips and tricks for beauty hair. Number 2, the ultimate hair transformation from dull to dazzling. Number 3, braided beauty, how to create braided styles. So you see, these are different titles that it has come up with for you to create content for your hair channel. And these are 10 titles and you can build out on these so much. It is unbelievable. It has made it so much easier for us these days. And then after now you have a title, you want to choose the first video you're gonna do is hairstyle hacks, tips and tricks for beautiful hair. You can copy that and ask it, write a YouTube script or this video title. So you're gonna tell it to write a script and let's see what happens. Look at this, guys. It literally generated a script. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about hairstyle hacks, tips and tricks to help you achieve beautiful hair every day. Tip 1, get rid of tangles with a T-comb. Tip 2, use dry shampoo for added volume. Tip 3, create natural looking waves for braids, etc. It literally did the work for you. All you have to do now is build it out to make it make sense for the audience that you're speaking to. You're gonna add real life examples, you're gonna expound on it. You're not gonna use everything, but just use some of it as a base for how you create the content moving forward. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Like, it did most of the work for you. And for those of you that don't like being on camera, it can help you to create faceless YouTube channels or blogs or podcasts that you don't even show your face. So most of the work is done. It's now for you to get out there and go try it. I saw some comments in the last video that I posted, people asking how to start the YouTube channel. Here you go. And here's a simple way for you to do it, for you to get started ASAP. You just need to be willing to do the work and get it done. And Chat GPT has done a lot of the work for you. And you know, once you put in this work, there's money to be made, which I explained in my last video that you can watch, which will be linked in the description bar below. There are other AIs that can be used to assist Chat GPT with a YouTube channel. I'll delve more deeply in those in another video. What I can say is that there are a ton of them out there. You have some that help you to turn this text that you generate from Chat GPT, the script, into speech and simulate a human-like voice, and it can be with different accents. It can be male or female, you know, things like that. Then you have AI that can help you to create your thumbnail. You have AI that can help you to edit the videos. AI that can help you to make a shorter form of the videos for different platforms. Except there's so many of them out there, but as I said, that's for another video. Today we're focusing on Chat GPT. After you've used the Chat GPT and other AIs to create this channel, then it's for you to just post and repeat. You've got a fully running engine and you can start to make some money. Even without the other AIs, Chat GPT is still a powerful AI to help you to create content that you can monetize. Whew, it's a lot. If you're finding value in the content so far, I'm gonna encourage you to press that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Another way that Chat GPT can help you to make some money is with trading and investing. Using algorithms, AI can analyze market data to identify profitable investment opportunities. It won't explicitly tell you what to invest in, but it can help you to do the market research that will help you in your decision. It will sum it up all for you. You just need to make sure that you fact check and do some independent research, of course. Just remember, ChatGPT is not a licensed financial advisor, and neither am I. So do your research, but just know it can help you in making your decision. Okay, let's test it once more. I'm gonna type, I'm new to investing. Where do I start? So we can already see that it is telling us, it is giving us some information. Starting to invest can seem overwhelming, but it's a great way to build wealth over time. Here are some steps you can take to get started. And it says, 1, educate yourself by reading books, articles, and take online courses about investing to gain basic understanding of different types of investment in the stock market. Then it encourages us to determine your investment goals, know what you want to achieve through invest. It tells you to assess the risk tolerance, create a diversified portfolio, consider working with a financial advisor, start small and be patient. So it gives you an idea of, okay, this is what I need to do. So now I'm gonna ask it something like, please give me a list of specific stock investments. So it won't give you a specific stock to say go and do this. You know, I'm guessing for liability reasons, for legal reasons. You know, it is not a licensed financial advisor, so it won't tell you that. But it will give you some, you know, some angle, some direction so that you can go do some research in it. So here it gives it the more general topics, like it says. Here are some specific stock you can consider. Technology like Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft. Healthcare, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, Procter & Gamble. Consumer goods, Coca-Cola, Walmart. Financial, JP Morgan. Energy, yada 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 yada. So it's now for you to go do some more research into these different stocks to see which will work for you. And I can also ask it something like, any ideas on dividend stocks? Okay, so it gave us a list of 10 dividend stocks. So it gives you some direction that you should be looking in, some types of stocks that you can be looking in, but it won't tell you the specific one, and nobody will tell you the specific one. That's because that's a personal and an individual decision, but it puts you in a direction to know, okay, these are the ones I should be focused on. Let me go do that, and once I focus on that, do that research, then I can invest and make some money. So that's how it can help you with investing. And I hope you get the gist. Just make sure that you do some additional research, but this is definitely a good starting ground. Comment below and let me know what you think. Another way that AI and Chat GPT can help you make money is by automating certain tasks for online businesses. For example, Chat GPT can help create chatbots to handle customer service inquiries and optimize e-commerce websites for better conversion rates. For chatbots on the websites, like, have you ever seen some of those shopping websites and you have that chat that pops up asking you questions or asking you if you need help, how can I help you, that kind of thing? Yeah, well, ChatGPT can help you to create something like that, and those things will answer customers' questions for you instantly so that customers can quickly make a decision on making that purchase, which would help you to make some more money. And as for websites, you can use it to help you to build a website. It will write the code for you and everything. You just need to put in the correct command and it will give you exactly what you're looking for. These are just a few of the many ways that AI and Chat GPT can help you to make money in 2023. I trust that you found value in this video. It is important to remember that while AI can automate certain tasks and make them more efficient, it's not a replacement for human skills and creativity, but it's an enhancement. I know a lot of people are scared that it's gonna replace us, but right now, at least for now, it's to help enhance us. So let's use it for what we can use it for. With the right knowledge and understanding, AI and ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for making money. So go out there and make some money, and feel free to share with me when you start. And finally, I'm gonna say, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.